Hello crafters, this is TrendyTube. Today we are going to see a super easy special Mother's Day card. So without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: chart paper, ruler, color pen, brush pen, eraser, scissor, foam sheet, pencil, stones, punching machine. Size of the chart is 27 into 27 cm and divide it into 3 equal parts 9 cm. Cut the corner parts on 4 sides. Fold the lines which I have shown you. Cut 3 hearts and fold it into half and stick like this which I have shown you. Write some sentiments of your choice, and this chart measures 8.5 into 8.5 cm. Arrange the sentiments of your choice and then stick it to the chart. After sticking, it will look like this. And stick more sentiments. I am sticking 3 hearts and making it as a balloon. I am sticking more sentiments. Then I am going to add the hearts on the front side and making it as a parachute. Yeah, that's it. Your super amazing easy Mother's Day card is ready to surprise your mother on Mother's Day. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Keep crafting.